It's currently, what is it, like 5 a.m. right now. We're about to head out to Salt Lake City, and we're gonna be going on a trip where we're gonna explore some of the national forests in Idaho and Wyoming. So it's gonna be like a 10-hour drive to go to Salt Lake City first. We're gonna rest there, and then the next day we're gonna be going to the national parks. We are finally in Salt Lake City, and we're going to a really nice hotel. Oh wow. No. So we picked out a place to eat. I'm gonna have some pizza. Let's go. So we're currently at a mall right now. It's called Salt Creek, something Creek Mall. Super nice. What is this place called? Something Creek. It was like something Creek. I tagged the location. City Creek Mall.
The next day.
Hello, it's currently 6:30 a.m. We are gonna go walk outside and get some coffee. It's only gonna be like 40 something degrees outside, which is, I guess, pretty cold for us. Because, yeah, we're pretty sensitive to low temperatures. So, I don't know. We're wearing like thermos, scarves, thermal pants. Got myself a matcha honey oats latte. Alright, we went out and grabbed some breakfast. Okay, that's gonna be, okay, it's heavy. It's a lot. We got 2 omelets, and we were just thinking of trying to get like a light breakfast. This is not light at all. So we're trying to kill time right now, and there's an aquarium, so we're gonna go to the aquarium.
The next day.
Hello guys, we've been driving for about 2 hours, and we just made it to our first national park, national forest, Grand Teton National Forest, and we are going to hike a trail called Taggart Lake Trailhead. I believe that's what it's called. So basically I believe it's a 4.7 mile hike. It goes to a lake, and yeah, really excited. Finally we're able to actually experience some nature, because yesterday it was raining a lot, so we could not hike. And hopefully we don't see any bears. We did bring some bear mace, so just in case, and I'm excited. crikey, we found some animal tracks. We don't know what animal it is. Let me know. I said crikey. Let me know in the comments down below what tracks this is. Well, okay, I'm not gonna show it, but we found some moose poop. It's a really big pile, like just right there. We're trying to find a moose, guys, on a quest to find a moose. Just kidding. Not kidding, but. This is another lake here. It's called Bradley Lake. Looks the same as the other one. So how much did we hike so far? So it's almost like 2-3 miles so far. I'm proud of us for making it this far. Currently trying to head back right now. We're gonna head back and we're staying in Jackson City, and we're gonna explore the city for a little bit once we get back, and we'll probably eat dinner there. Alright, y'all, we're gonna have some barbecue. But really, yeah, we're gonna have some barbecue, and I'm excited for that. We always like eating good food when we go out, so. Got some ice cream. Pretty much, if we eat outside, it won't melt. We should just eat out. Boy math. Very eventful day indeed. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, please message them down below and give a thumbs up to the video. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.